the Beatles. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. This song, I Want You by the Beatles, definitely one of my favorite bands. And I'm going to do it instrumental. It's not the whole song. It's got the big main riff in it you want to learn. Be good for beginners, but this song is definitely going to be more challenging than what my last song was. But a lot of people get it. So it starts out like this. I know it's going to be challenging, so it's going to be a long, probably lesson here. So here we go. So I'll slow her down. You're doing this. It's your D minor. So here we go. It goes. Now you think that's an A, but it's A augmented. It's not an A chord. You gotta stretch that out. And you're just picking on this. See, it's still the same chord. The main thing about this song is the bass that you gotta get. So it's just, just watch the chords. There's a wild chord here. Look at the blue notes. So it's you're with that D minor, so you're going. The bass. One more time through. Slow. Yeah, you got some weird chords in there. There's A augmented. It's A sharp 7. So here we go. It goes see how the bass just climbing up? Okay, now the next part. Here's the next part. So it goes like this. So it goes, let me get to that. Let me do that again, the end, and then go to the next part. So I'll do it again. And then it goes. Messed up. Okay, so we'll work with it. So you're in A minor. You're doing the A minor. So it goes. Just follow the A minor chord. Then it goes up. Just hit an A minor down here. Okay, keep working with it. Just goes so there's that part. Next part goes to a D minor. We'll get that. So it comes up to the D minor. But we'll get that. I knew this is definitely more challenging than the last song. So we're going with the D minor. She's so, and then back to that. You know, the end of the song that comes in with all the effects at the end just keeps on going. The same tune all the way for a long time. Go back to that A minor again. Then comes up D minor. Okay, so you're there on the D minor. Then it just stops. She's so. Want You by the Beatles. Good song. Might be a little bit of a challenge, but it's a good song. Work with it. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time. Later.